most prominent landmarks and heritage hotels in the heart of Sydney CBD, is taking action with the New South Wales Office of Environment and Heritage.
Ensuring the comfort of our guests is of the utmost importance to us.
The Office of Environment and Heritage provides businesses with specialised advice and work to identify, quantify and implement energy efficiency opportunities.
Based on the energy investigation, we were able to identify which of the current technologies were the least efficient and costing us the most to run.
HVAC savings alone were estimated to save the Grace Hotel around $80,000 a year, with capital costs recouped within 2 years. By implementing all of the recommendations, the Grace Hotel can improve their neighbours' hotel energy rating from 4 to 4.5.
To put that into perspective, that's a first.
The Grace Hotel installed a submetering system on this. This will make accessing the New South Wales Energy Savings Scheme much simpler. To identify and prioritise energy efficiency opportunities, implement a project or access financial assistance,